Let's go ahead, Neti Srinivasan ji. Go ahead.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I just want to share a few things. Before I joined this 30-day course as well as a 21-day course, I was quite skeptical actually because I've tried several of these things in the past because of almost a chronic bronchial issue, which I've been having for over 40 years. But just from the day 4 or 5, I realized that this is a different one. And LFC, when I started, the first 4 or 5 days was, oh my God, I need to do this. So it was like a weight on my head and shoulders. But by the time I came to day 12, 13, I was almost looking forward to it. And oftentimes when it got over, 28, 32 minutes, I said, oh, this got over too soon. So, and some of the things that truly helped me as I went along in the journey. The first was dinner by 7 p.m. I think it made a transformative difference in me. Better sleep, as also better morning routine, and far more energy. Of course, we also made some changes in terms of trying to move as much as possible, at least in the dinners to salads and soups and lighter food. I think that made a big difference. The second thing that really worked well for me is the lack of sugar. I'm a person, and I shared this yesterday in the mentor session also, is that I really love sweets, and I never imagined that I'll actually be able to stay away and things will be okay. So when you said 21 days, just stay away from sweets, I actually did that, and it worked all right. So much so that now, if somebody puts sugar in my tea, I actually don't like it. So I think that also made a difference. And overall, I feel a lot more energetic and a lot more lively. There are, of course, several other benefits which I've experienced, but I've sort of become a convert. So once I've signed up for the Diamond program also. So that's very nice. I think the one regret that I continue to have is that the Jalneti was done on the day when I was traveling, and I was very, very unhappy and disappointed because of that. So today, in the evening is when I've actually scheduled time, and that's when I'm going to do it. But I definitely have to do it. So truly, thank you so much, Badriji. It's been, I think you've been a godsend to several people. I mean, during the interactions, I resonated with many people when they said, I have these breathing issues, I have allergies, and all of these. And I said, yeah, I mean, I have I've been suffering for so many years almost, and kind of reconcile myself to sort of living with them for the rest of my life. But now I can actually see hope, and I feel a lot happier and so much comfortable now. So thank you so much for everything.
Thank you so much,